Framework Laptop-16. The Framework Laptop-16 has arrived, and it's nothing short of a revelation in the world of modular computing. As an avid tech enthusiast, I've had the privilege of testing various laptops over the years, but the Framework Laptop-16 has truly left an indelible mark on me. Design and build quality. One of the standout features of the Framework Laptop-16 is its impeccable design and build quality. The aluminum chassis exudes a premium feel, and the attention to detail is remarkable. What sets this laptop apart is its modular design, allowing users to easily swap out components like the CPU, RAM, storage, and even ports. This level of customization is unprecedented and adds a layer of future-proofing that's hard to find elsewhere. Display. The 16-inch display is stunning, offering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. While it may not be the brightest in its class, it certainly holds its own for everyday tasks, media consumption, and even light gaming. The slim bezels add to the immersive experience, making it a joy to work and play on. Performance. Equipped with the latest Intel or AMD processors, the Framework Laptop-16 is a powerhouse. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing high-resolution images and videos, or running multiple virtual machines, this laptop can handle it all with ease. It's a productivity beast that doesn't break a sweat even under heavy workloads. Battery life. Considering its power, the battery life is quite respectable. You can expect around 8 to 10 hours of usage with normal tasks, but this can vary depending on your configuration and usage patterns. While it's not class-leading, it strikes a good balance between performance and portability. Modularity. The real star of the show here is the laptop's modularity. Framework has designed this laptop with user upgradability in mind. Whether you want to add more RAM, swap out the storage, or upgrade to a newer CPU, it's all possible. This not only extends the lifespan of your laptop, but also reduces e-waste, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Port selection. The Framework Laptop-16 comes with a good selection of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and even a headphone jack. However, the inclusion of an SD card reader would have been appreciated for content creators. Software and compatibility. The laptop runs a clean and bloatware-free version of Windows 10, or the latest version available at the time of purchase. It's compatible with a wide range of software and peripherals, but keep in mind that some niche applications might require extra configuration due to the modularity. Conclusion. In a world where laptops are increasingly disposable, the Framework Laptop-16 stands as a beacon of sustainability, performance, and user-friendliness. Its modular design, impressive performance, and thoughtful construction make it a standout choice for both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. While it may not be the cheapest laptop on the market, it's certainly a wise long-term investment. If you're looking for a laptop that can evolve with your needs and reduce electronic waste, the Framework Laptop-16 should be at the top of your list. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you've been enjoying the content so far, if you want to watch this type of video, so don't wait, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and become an integral part of our YouTube family. Thanks for subscribe and welcome to the family. Thanks for watching this video.